Hey guys, thanks for watching ARTYS Garage. Today I'm going to show you how to repair your flex pipe. Yes, it won't be a permanent fix, but it's going to hold quite some time. Under $25, I purchased 2 Tiger Patch muffler wraps and a quick steel tank repair, the heavy duty one. Yes, from Pep Boys, where you can buy them from any auto parts store. Convenient to you. Watch how easy this will be. It is leaking in the front, so I'm going to go on and show you how to put this guy here as a starter and then wrap it up. Take the Tiger Patch out. Here it goes. We'll start with the ravel it right over the flex pipe. Nice. There's a cross member in the front of this car, so we're gonna have to cut the muffler wrap into a couple of pieces. Now this is the last touch. You see what I did? I finished wrapping it around. It's a little hard because there's a cross member here, so I've cut the Tiger Patch into pieces and worked one over the other. Now we're going to start it after a minute of applying it. Let's see how good this is. Now back to the video camera. Tell me it doesn't sound better. So all you haters out there, give me some negative comments.